Hi, we're at SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at an 8.5 by 30 IBeam Deckover trailer. At the front we do have a heavy duty jack as well as your chain basket, breakaway cable, safety chains, and bumper pull hitch. This trailer does have a front tire mount, the breakaway box. This trailer does have step up tie down points and handles at the front of the trailer. There is a heavy duty I-beam frame as well as stake pockets along both sides of this equipment trailer. There is pressure treated wood flooring. Coming to the rear of this trailer, there are King Kong ramps. They're secured with a tension hook, as well as the pin bar lock. This is a self-cleaning dovetail. This trailer does have LED brake lights. There are two 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch rims and tires. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 30 IBeam Deckover equipment trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.